Today I'm going to show you how to restart iPhone without power button. So these are very easy tricks, so please don't skip my video. Simply open your settings, go to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Make sure to enable this and enable. Okay, make sure to enable. At first time turn up and set up. Continue. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get direction home. Hey Siri, play some music. Now finally set up this. Make sure to turn on, press side button for Siri or type to Siri. I'm already turned on. Okay, close this and you just say, hey Siri, restart my iPhone. Restart. And that's it.